Hi everyone, I am Mihir. Welcome back to another session of Like Minds Bootcamp. Today we will talk about social media marketing strategies. So basically we will learn the key strategies to build a social media handle or a social media account. And mainly this session is focused on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and other such social media accounts. We will have a separate session on YouTube the next day. So whenever you basically plan to run a community, you should have a plan to basically build a social media account. And these social media accounts helps you to connect with your existing members, as well as it helps you to basically circulate more relevant things about the community with your audience who are following on your social media handles. So that's why building a social media handle following key strategies is very important, and it will help you in further growing your community. So the first step is, whenever you start a social media account or a social media handle, you should focus on adding a value. By adding a value, we mean that your target audience or your followers should get some value out of your social media account or the content that you are sharing. So the first very important learning is, you should not talk about your community or brand every time, because if you do so, it feels like something promotional content which is circulated from the account, and then your followers will not like it and they might not engage with your post. So definitely you should focus, not on just circulating content around your brand or talking about your brand. Instead of, rather than that, you should focus on creating a general content which talks about various topics in the industry that is related to your community, so that you position yourself as an expert in that field, and your followers or audience really like your content because that is organic, they are getting value out of it, and they basically see you as an expert in the industry. So ultimately your overall metrics, that is engagement, number of followers, will definitely flow from the type of content that you are circulating among your members. Another thing is, if you create a valuable content, for example, let's say if we focus on creating a theme, and then we basically create a content which is relevant to the industry and which is generic, which is not talking about the community. So it helps in creating a trust among the audience as well. If the trust factor is there, your audience clearly know that you are creating very good content and you have a great knowledge around the topic. So they will trust you, they will follow you, they will engage with your post, and maybe they will also try to explore the thing that you are building. For example, in our case, we are building a community, so definitely they will explore the community that you are building. The next point is basically be consistent. So let's say you have planned a social media account, now you have created a social media account. The main thing is, how do you circulate the content? Okay, the frequency is very important, and you should definitely create a schedule for, let's say, a week or a month for your content. Now, why you should create a calendar for your content is because it helps in, first of all, managing things smoothly, and it will basically optimize your time, and it will save a lot of your time, and you will be able to deliver quality content, because you are basically, at one time, you are giving a lot of thought around the content, you are planning in a structured way, and then you are actually executing. But if you don't do so, your content will be impromptu, there won't be any consistency, and your audience will not like it. They will not basically follow regularly the updates that you are having from your account. Now, one advantage of consistency is the overall experience of your audience gets enhanced, because if you follow a regular schedule, for example, if you are posting a motivational quote on every Monday, with time your audience will definitely wait for such content, and they will start engaging in these type of content. So the overall experience is better when you post things consistently. The other important thing is, you can actually analyze a lot of things if you post consistently. For example, which day of the week is performing best, which time of the day is performing best. You can analyze these things if you are posting the content regularly, and it will help you in your future post, and ultimately you will get a lot of good engagement, a lot of reach to the relevant profile through your social media. But if you don't do so, it will be very difficult for you to compare which day was performing better, and your overall analysis won't reflect in your results. So that's why consistency is very important. Very important thing is you should engage with relevant profile around you. So for example, if there is an handle on Instagram which talks about the similar content, the profile is very similar, or your community industry topic is very similar, you should engage with other people post in your network. By engaging, we mean you should react, you should comment to such post, and not only comment, but you should write meaningful messages, because a lot of other people or a lot of other prospects would be seeing your comment. And if you write good message, if you write very detailed message which talks about a lot of thing around your industry, which talks about, you are giving some insight through that comment, so they will really like it, and they might also follow you in that way. So that's why engaging with others people post in the right way is very important. One another hack of social media is, if you follow other people's account, they might follow you back. So you should try to follow relevant profiles, so that there is a slight chance that they might follow you back, as well as you get a lot of content. So if you start following relevant profiles, you will get a lot of content, so that you can share it via your social media stories or via sharing via post. And you can also basically collaborate with such profiles and give a shout out to these profiles. The other profiles can give you a shout out, so that your reach increases. So that's why engaging with relevant profiles is very, very important. Now the next important part is you should focus on limited platforms. And initially, whenever you are building a social media handle, definitely you should focus on limited platforms, because again, the idea is you should not spread yourself too thin. The idea is focus on the limited platform, focus on your best channels, and try getting more results from your best channels, so that after a point of time, that which type of content is working fine, what type of audience is basically coming to you, and then you can expand your reach by adding more channels. I have mentioned as a suggestion that you should not go beyond 3 channels. Again, it's up to you, it's up to your bandwidth, it's up to your expertise. But my suggestion is, don't go beyond 3 channels. Start initially maybe with 1, 2 or max 3 channels. Clearly get the idea of content, the idea of target audience, and then expand your reach. Next point is, again, it's related to the limited platform point, creating a native content. So by native content, we mean that the content which is created specifically for a platform. For example, let's say the audience is same, you have a same audience, but you have a channel as LinkedIn and Instagram. Now LinkedIn is basically work related. People are there for professional networking or career building. So you should share some content wherein people are getting some aspect of career building, some aspect of professional networking in LinkedIn. But on Instagram, people are there for more leisure thing. They are basically checking out the posts, they are checking out the pictures. It's very much design heavy. So you should definitely create content which is basically design heavy, and which talks about different things as compared to LinkedIn. So that is a native content. And again, one reason why you should not go with multiple channels, because you cannot use same content on different channels, and it will take a lot of your bandwidth to focus on multiple channels. Now one more barrier is technical requirements. So for example, Twitter has a technical requirement of minimum characters, but Instagram doesn't have. So again, you cannot have same content for Twitter and Instagram. So that's why you should focus on limited channels. Focus on your personal brand. So personal branding is really important. I'll take an example of Apple as a brand. Now, whenever I think of Apple, I just, one thing which comes in my mind is Steve Jobs' picture. So Steve Jobs has portrayed his brand in a perfect way. However, Apple has multiple products like, iPhone, iPad, MacBook. But one thing which comes in everyone's mind is Steve Jobs. So Steve Jobs has created his own personal brand by maybe doing a lot of live sessions with audience, putting himself in front of audience via different channels. So definitely you should also follow this. One reason is, usually people really like to connect with a company which has a face, as compared to a company which doesn't have a face. So you should definitely try to create your own personal brand, connect with your audience. There are ways to do that. You should start doing live sessions with your audience, like on, you can do Insta live sessions. Another way is you should also, interact with your audience. So whenever someone is messaging you, you should reply to that. Whenever someone is commenting on your post, you should reply to each and every comment, so that there is a personal angle involved. Audience will feel that there is some person who is doing this, and they will connect in a better way. The trust factor will be higher. So that's why you should definitely focus on your personal brand and increase it. So yeah, that's it from today's session. Do follow these best practices to get more visibility for your handle. It will help you in in a long run. Basically, you will get a lot of followers, you will get relevant followers, and then out of these followers, some might explore your community, and then few would join your community. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye.